Everyone, you can now see everything. You will get a prize like the money bag. Here, who is the first? Rock, paper, scissors first.
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, bato ko. Kapit lang. Ay, wala. Rock, paper, scissors.
You're first. You're second. Our mission, let's get something. Our mission. Let's go to the bodyguard.
Huh?
Bodyguard.
Anong next mission? Anong bahay? Anong house?
24.
Oh my God. Yun yung nakawan ko. 24. Bodyguard? Okay.
I will keep an eye on you guys. Let's see if you can do this.
Guardian, nasan yung president? Natasakot ako pag mabalaro. Wait lang. Wait lang, palitan ko yung text. Kasi naglalag ako. Hindi kayo may ari. Guardian ako sunod sa taas.
Oy!
Ari, pasok. Ito ang president. Tingnan mo yung bayo niya, oh. Nag-iba ko. Uy, Daniel! Tulungan mo ko! Pumunta ka! Daniel, pumunta ka!
Okay lang. Kaya nyo yan. Kaya nyo yan. Go! You can do this. Where's Zia? 24. Okay, 24. Our enemy is bigger than us. Okay, and there you go. Those are presidents, of course. You can do this. Where are you going? Where are they going? Where are they going? Are they going to our base? Is they going to the base? Hey!
Oh no!
Guards! Guards! What did you say? Okay, perfect.
Andun sila!
Targeted. Guards, targeted. What house is this? Is it? What house? Wait, there's the enemy. There's something from the ambulance. I'm gonna call something. Pick up your phone. Where are they?
Nandito na ako.
Just go to something special. Guys, ever.
Okay. Mission accomplished. Irarab na natin. Tara na. Rab. Saan? Ayaw na. Marami na sa bahay.
Mission complete. Come to our base. Come to the base.
Get the money. Get the money. Emergency. Pay Dr. B. Wait, maglagay ako ng warning. Ay, nandiyan si God. Siya ba may-ari ng bahay? God, yung pangalan niya, di ba? Sino may-ari ng bahay? Si God? Hindi.
Where are you guys? See? Target detected. Target detected. Our target. Let's see.
Dun! Tara, let's go teleport na. Wait, hindi.
I see you guys. Yes.
Are you crazy? Gun shopping in RP?
Bye bye.
Let's go. Okay.
Come here. Yes. Come here now.
Wait lang, hindi pa ako. I warned you, you're not the real president. President is not acting like a normal people. And president's bodyguard is not weak or necessary. You're fake. We will kill you if you don't stop this.
Nice troll, guys.
Bodyguards are never fail.
Come here, guys.
President is not abnormal. No need face mask. Real president is rich, not poor.
Hey, go here. Come to our mission. I have something important for you. Guys, I have got something important for you.
Uy, ice cream! Oh,
find something. Something good. Let's find our new end. This is our. Hey, everyone! House 17 is from this house.
LOL! LOL!
Come to our mission, guys. Guys,
Oy, si God! Bago! Si God! Yes, kami. Yan,
pasok kayo. Wait.
Ay, wait lang. Ang bagal ni Zia. Laglag ko siya dito.
Wag.
Ang hirap naman. Ay, naku! Ay, naku! Okay, anong attention?
Attention, we have find some other enemy.
Ano eh?
Let's find some our enemy.
Isa spy ko lang yun. Let me spy. Let me spy the... Wait lang! Sige?
Go to the house 17. That's our job. Here's your money. Your congratulations. Congratulations.
God?
Yes.
Okay. Guard.
Let's go. Let's go, guys.
Lang.
This, let's find our last mission.
Last week, pag tumawag niyo,
Jake is our last mission.
yes. Hindi pa last to. Hindi pa nag-hukula.
I found the last mission. It's Jake. Our enemy.
Anong flavor? Ube.
I have something good for you, guys.
Gotcha.
I have something good for you guys. Go to the Jake, and now you guys target from Jake and equip some police.
Wait, let me just...
Equip.
Nandito sila! Irarab ko siya ng side. Nandiyan sila!
Who's there?
Yan! Narab ko na. Brown. Yay!
Lol.
Laban ako! Ang bahay yun. Jake. Revenge ako. Revenge!
I have a plan. I'm gonna protect the base, and I must to be.
Siya si Jake. Tingnan mo, Minecraft.
White. My name is White. I'm not racist. Yes, my name is White. If you finish your revenge, I'll give you something special on you. No. Whoever I'll give you. I have a mystery gift. Special mystery gift. Supremely special mystery gift. Where are you guys? Or guys, let's make our turrets.